learn about farm animals. Hi kids, today we are gonna learn about the different animals living in the farm. These animals are very useful for us in many ways. But before we start the video, always remember to repeat after us. Let's start. Cow. Say it with me. Cow. Rabbit. Say it with me. Rabbit. Duck. Say it with me. Duck. Shrimp. Say it with me. Shrimp. Pig. Repeat after me. Pig. Bee. Say it with me. Bee. Goat. Say it with me. Goat. Turkey. Say it with me. Turkey. Pigeon. Say it with me. Pigeon. Sheep. Say it with me. Sheep. Rooster. Say it with me. Rooster. Hen. Say it with me. Hen. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Donkey. Say it with me. Donkey. Okay, sweetheart, we have seen a lot today, haven't we? Let's learn more on my next video. Before that, remind mommy and daddy to subscribe to this channel to get new videos update. See you soon. Bye-bye.